The location section within the company overview is one of the most straightforward pages you'll explore. Its purpose is to deliver an understanding about stakeholders' headquarters, as well as trading and operational offices. In base of this insights, you can plan your face-to-face sales or book an appointment at the closest location instead of aiming for remote ones. As a distributor, you can estimate delivery costs and build optimized quotes as per location, or simply upsell to branches you're not covering at this time. Each element of the preview delivers the registered address, contact details such as email, phone numbers or faxes, and a shortcut to locate the office on Google Maps. Once you've drilled down to your location of interest, jump back to the Employees section and you can reach out directly to the location manager if you need to.